Okay. Now listen to me this. Listen to me this thing. First of all, nobody will absent from the class. Okay. Now take out your English grammar copies. Suryansh, where is your copy? Take it out. Akshira Dogra, Saksham. Why you are looking here and there? Saksham, 3041. Take out your English grammar copy. Yes, Naman, Ishika, Prityangshu. Okay, Muskan. Okay. Now, Beta, first of all, I want to tell you this thing. This is subject, okay? I'm writing subject. Okay. And second word is verb. Okay. These are two important things that you should know when you are going to change thing, subject and verb.
Ma'am,
Then,
we will write this also.
yes, Priyanshu Kondal. Priyanshu Kondal. And look straight. Priyanshu Kondal. Yes, beta. Then why I am writing? Write down in your English grammar copy. First is subject, and second word is verb. Okay. Then what is the subject? Because we have to start our new topic, that is voice. Okay. But before starting the topic voice, I want you to know what is subject and what is verb. Okay. Subject. Okay. What is the subject, Vardhan? Is a subject, beta, in a sentence? What do you mean by subject in a sentence? Yes, Vardhan. What do you mean subject in the sentence? Unmute your microphone, Vardhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what do you mean by subject in a sentence? In a sentence? What is subject?
Ma'am, the work done.
That is verb. Okay, that is verb. Subject, what is subject, beta? Subject is doer of the action, one who does some work. Okay, subject, what is subject? जो action करता है, which do some action, that is called subject. Okay, suppose I write Vardhan.
Ma'am, like name of someone.
Hi, yes, it can be the name of someone. It is the doer of the action. Main word is it is the doer of the action, which do some work. Suppose I am writing on the board, okay? Then suppose I am subject. I am subject, and what I am doing, I am writing on the word. But the work is going on, that is of writing. पहले आप subject समझ लो, okay? Suppose Vardhan writes a letter. Suppose this is Vardhan writes a letter, okay? This is the word. This is a sentence, okay? Suryansh, don't look here and there. ये देख लो, मैं सभी को देख रही हूँ. Listen this thing. Don't look here and there. Look straight. सामने देखो. फिर बोलोगे समझ नहीं आया. फिर वही प्रॉब्लम आपकी टेंसेस में है. इतना गलत पेपर किए कुछ नहीं पता तुम लोगों को. देखो इधर सामने देखो. Look straight. हाँ मैं सभी को देख रही हूँ. ये मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मैम 2-3 स्टूडेंट्स को देख रही है. सभी को देख रही हूँ. निवेदिता, you are sitting in dark. Suppose Vardhan writes a letter, okay? ध्यान से देखो. What is the subject? Vardhan writes a letter means Vardhan letter लिखता है in Hindi. Okay. Now who writes a letter? Who writes a letter? Shivanshi.
Ma'am, Vardhan.
Shivanshi. Vardhan. So Vardhan is the doer of the action. Vardhan काम कर रहा है. Vardhan action कर रहा है. So Vardhan is the subject. Okay. Vardhan is a subject. A sentence is always divided into two parts. I remember this thing. One is subject and other is predicate. Okay. So ये बाकी का जो बच गया, that is called predicate. Sentence is always divided into two parts. One is subject and other is predicate. Subject which do some action. जो आपको बताता है कि काम हो रहा है. Which do some action. जैसे it gives the answer to the question who. Okay. Vardhan writes a letter means Vardhan is a subject. Because Vardhan is the doer of the action. Vardhan काम कर रहा है. अब what work he is doing? वो क्या काम कर रहा है? शिवांशी, what work he is doing? क्या कर रहा है? Vardhan क्या काम कर रहा है? Letter is a noun. Okay, letter is a noun. Noun है.
Ma'am, writing.
Writes. Writing is not written on the board. It is written writes. This is writes. अब ये writes है. Okay. So what is this? This is verb. ये verb होता है. Okay. Verb. Verb क्या करता है? Which tells us what the subject is doing. ध्यान से देख लो. Vardhan writes a letter. Vardhan is a subject. क्यों subject है? Because he is doer of the action. Means वो काम कर रहा है. Okay? Means वो काम कर रहा है. और वो क्या काम कर रहा है? Writes का, लिखने का काम कर रहा है. Okay? So writes is a verb. Verb क्या बताता है? Verb आपको बताता है what the subject is doing. क्या काम हो रहा है? Suppose I'm writing on the board. तो मैं क्या काम कर रही हूँ? Writing. You are listening. आप क्या काम कर रहे हो? सुनने का काम कर रहे हो. Okay? You are listening. So concept is clear about the subject and verb. Subject और verb clear हुआ?
Yes.
अभिलव गुप्ता subject
Yes,
सभी को
ma'am.
clear हुआ?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This subject and verb. Oh, okay. I will see. Okay. Because beta before starting, you must know.
Yeah.
Okay. Priya will. Priya. Suppose I say Priya is. So no. Suppose I say is writing. It's okay. Right has come. Priya is listening to music. Suppose I say this thing. Priya is listening to music. So, what is the subject and verb, Priya?
Ma'am,
Priya is.
Ma'am, Priya is.
Wait a minute. Only Priya will give the answer. Nobody is supposed to give the answer. Yes, Priya.
Ma'am, Priya is subject and listening is the verb.
Priya is listening to music. Listen this thing. Who is listening to music? Priya. कौन सुन रहा है? Who is listening? कौन सुन रहा है म्यूजिक को? गाने कौन सुन रहा है? Priya. Priya is the doer of the action. काम कर रही है वो, action कर रही है. तो Priya is the subject. Okay. अब वो क्या काम कर रही है? What work she is doing? क्या कर रही है वो काम? सुनने का काम कर रही है. So listen is a verb. Okay. Difference between subject and verb is clear. Subject क्या होता है? Subject do some action. कोई काम करता है. Verb tells us what this subject is doing. Verb हमें बताता है वो क्या काम कर रहा है. Suppose I am going to market. ठीक है? I am subject. अब मैं क्या काम कर रही हूँ? जाने का काम कर रही हूँ. Going. So going will be verb. Okay. Now beta, listen this thing. Your practice zone 2. Okay. I will send it later. First of all, let me ask you. Sejal. Listen to me carefully. Sejal, children painted these pictures. Children painted these pictures. Sejal, now tell me what is the subject and verb. Children. This is your practice zone 2. You can take out the books. Page number 49. Page number 49. Page number 49. Book साथ में रखो.
Also write Vardhan.
Page number 49.
We will also write Vardhan is writing a letter.
Okay, if you don't want to write Vardhan's name, you can write your own name also. Suryansh writes a letter. Saksham writes a letter. Okay, Akshita Dogra writes a letter. If you don't want to write his name, you can write your own name. Now come to practice zone 2, page number 49. Okay, Suryansh Rana will tell. Part A, look at this question. Children paint these pictures. Now, students, you have to identify the subject. You write the space provided, and you have to underline the verb. Okay. Suryansh, tell me what is the subject and verb in this A part? Yes, Abhilov, good.
Children.
Yes, very good. Children is subject. Write down the.
Ma'am, painting.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, painting is verb.
Very good. So, children is a subject and painted is a verb. So you underline the painted and write this children in the space provided. Where there is a blank, right here, children. Okay. Okay. Akshita Dogra will tell. Akshita Dogra, B part. Akshita Dogra. B part. Yes, beta. Speak out the B part.
Ma'am, right. Ma'am, right is.
Better firstly read the sentence. Read the sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या लिखा? What is written in the sentence?
Yes.
Akshita. Susan writes a letter. Susan writes a letter. Now tell me what is it? Susan writes a letter. Now tell me. Yes, Akshita.
Ma'am, Susan is subject and writes is verb.
Very good, very good. Susan is a subject and writes is a verb. बिकॉज सुसैन क्या कर रही है, सुसैन लेटर लिखती है. सुसैन इज अ सब्जेक्ट, ही इज शी इज द डूअर ऑफ द एक्शन. ओके, और वो क्या काम कर रही है, व्हाट वर्क शी इज डूइंग, शी इज राइटिंग. ओके, नाउ समृद्धि, सी पार्ट. समृद्धि, सी पार्ट.
My mother prevent a del
Delicious
delicious dine
dinner,
dine
beta. Now read this sentence. Read this sentence once
dinner.
again, beta. Samriddhi,
My
read this
mother
sentence once again.
prevented a delicious dine.
No. My mother prepared a delicious dinner. Delicious means very tasty. My mother prepared a delicious dinner. Now, Samriddhi, what is the subject and verb in this sentence?
My mother.
My mother. Mother. My mother. Okay. My mother. वो क्या है? My mother. What is my mother? It check verb.
Number.
इसका मतलब तुम्हें समझ नहीं आया? देखो बेटा, my mother prepared a delicious dinner. Okay, my mother. Who is the doer? किसने tasty dinner बनाया? किसने बनाया? Who prepared delicious dinner? किसने बनाया tasty dinner? ये बताओ. समृद्धि, किसने tasty dinner? Who prepared the delicious dinner? My mother means काम किसने किया? Action किसने किया? किसने काम किया? My mother. Okay, my mother, मेरी mother ने delicious dinner बनाया. Means my mother ने she is a doer of the action. वो काम कर रही है. ओके, तो सब्जेक्ट कौन हुआ? मैंने आपको बेटा ये सब्जेक्ट अगर सपोज तुम्हें समझ नहीं आया, तुम्हें वॉइस समझ नहीं आएगी, तुम्हें टेंसेस समझ नहीं आएंगे. रिमेम्बर दिस थिंग. डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट कुछ भी समझ नहीं आएगा अगर आपको सब्जेक्ट समझ नहीं आया. सब्जेक्ट इज मेन थिंग. सब्जेक्ट. अब देखो, माय मदर, किसने डिलीशियस खाना बनाया? समृद्धि, माय मदर ने. ओके, मीन्स माय मदर ने काम किया. शी डज द एक्शन. सो माय मदर इज अ सब्जेक्ट. अब उसने क्या काम किया? खाना बनाने का काम किया, प्रिपरेशन का काम किया. सो प्रिपेयर्ड इज अ वर्ब. ओके, अब समझ में आया समृद्धि? माय मदर.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, बेटा. समझ में नहीं आएगा then please do ask me again and again. Okay, my mother means मेरी mother ने खाना बनाया. Suppose in Hindi I say this thing. मेरी mother ने खाना बनाया. किसने बनाया? Who made the delicious dinner? My mother. Means my mother subject है. और उन्होंने क्या काम किया? Sorry, उन्होंने क्या काम किया? डिनर को प्रिपेयर किया. ओके, अब डिनर इज उसको नहीं देखना आपने डिनर किया है. डिनर इज अ नाउन. ओके, डिलीशियस इज एन एडजेक्टिव. ओके, ये बहुत डीपली होता है. ठीक है, डिलीशियस इज एन एडजेक्टिव. सो माय मदर इज अ सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रिपेयर इज अ वर्ब. आदित्य मेहरा, आदित्य मेहरा, आदित्य मेहरा, कहाँ देख रहे हो? आदित्य मेहरा, वेयर यू आर लुकिंग?
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute your microphone and read the D
Yes,
part.
ma'am.
Yes, D part.
The evidence applied the speaker.
Read it once again. So, this is a sentence of 5 words and 2 mistakes you have done. The audience applauded the speaker. Okay, Aditya Mehra. Now tell me, what is the audience applauded? Applauded, what do you mean by applauded? Applauded means praise karni, by clapping. Okay, किसी की प्रशंसा करनी by clapping, that is called applause. Okay, हम बोलते हैं ना, give him a big hand of applause. उसका मतलब क्या है? प्रशंसा करनी, praise him and give. Applauding का मतलब clapping करके आप किसी की जब praise करते हो, उसको approve करते हो, very good, very good, very good.
The audience is
Now,
ma'am, the audience is the subject and applied is verb.
Very good, very good. The audience is the subject, okay, and applauded is the verb. क्यों? Applauded means उन्हें बहुत प्रशंसा की, clapping by through clapping, okay, showing approval or your praise by clapping. Applauded. Or who applauded the speaker? The audience. किसने किया? Oh, that is the subject. Now, Ishika conduct E part. Ishika E part.
Yes, ma'am. We all went to watch a movie. Ma'am, we
Okay.
all is a subject and watch is a verb.
No. Yes, what went is a verb. Okay. हम गए. Go, went, gone. अब देखो 3 forms of verb आप करते हो ना. You do this thing. Go, went, gone. Watch भी हो सकता है. Watched, watched. Okay. We all went. Okay. We all subject went and watched verb. Okay. Very good, Ishika. Last is Navisha. Navisha. F part. F part.
My father edited a book.
Yes, my father edited a book. Okay, now tell me. What is the subject and verb?
My
What is the
father.
subject and verb?
My father.
Yes, beta, my father is a subject. And edited is a verb. Okay, now I think it is clear. Agar kisi ko, if anyone is facing some problem in the subject and verb, he or she can ask, or shall I move? Now tell me, shall we move? This is clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we move? Okay.
Yes,
Now-
ma'am.
Okay, I'm rubbing it. Okay. Now, main topic. Okay, which I wanted to discuss with you. Okay, beta. Write down active and passive voice. This is your grammar portion of chapter number 4. Okay, grammar portion of chapter number 4. Write down active and passive voice. Write down active. Yes, beta, in grammar copies. और इसको समझना है. Listen thing. But जहाँ तक I know you don't know about the tenses also. मुझे वो भी लगता है, but आपके ग्रामर क्वेश्चन स्टार्टिंग वॉइस के साथ है, so I have to do voice first. देखो बेटा, write down active and passive voice. Okay. Now look at the board. Now see beta, the hunter killed lion. Okay. The hunter killed the lion. आदित्य मेहरा कहाँ देख रहा है? Where you are watching? आदित्य मेहरा, what you are watching? यहाँ उस साइड देख रहा है. सामने देखो. Wait a minute, okay? Wait a minute. I'm just. Okay. Now look at this. The hunter killed the lion. Okay. Look at the board. Look at the board. Look straight. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you explain voice?
Voice, you can say it is the way of telling a thing. Okay, telling a thing. अब ये तुम voice, suppose I say the hunter killed the lion. Voice होता है आपने किसी चीज को कैसे बोलना है. Suppose कान आप ऐसे पकड़ सकते हो. This is one. एक आप ऐसे कान पकड़ सकते हो. दूसरा आप ऐसे भी पकड़ सकते हो ना. There are two methods. एक आपने ऐसे कान पकड़ा. Okay. This is method of saying something. Okay. या तो आपने डायरेक्टली बोला या आपने इनडायरेक्टली बोला. ये ठीक है. वॉइस कैसे, मतलब आपने क्या बोलना है. वॉइस तुम बोल सकते इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. ओके, विच टेल अस कि जो डूअर है इट इज अ सब्जेक्ट और इट इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट इन द सेंटेंस. ओके, वॉइस का मतलब यही होता है कि वॉइस क्या करता है, इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. ओके, वॉइस इज द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब दैट टेल्स कि जो डूअर ऑफ एन एक्शन है वो सब्जेक्ट है या वो ऑब्जेक्ट है. मेन ये वॉइस का. ओके, it tells us whether the subject is doer or receiver of the action. Now beta, the hunter killed the lion. First of all, see this thing. The
Ma'am,
hunter
we
killed the
will
lion. It
write
means-
this in notebook also.
Yes beta, yes, you have to write. Second is the lion was killed by the hunter. Okay, you have to see the difference. Okay, look at the first sentence. The lion killed, the hunter killed the lion. Okay. Second is the lion was killed by the hunter. Is there any difference between these two sentences? Rimal? Rimal? Is there any difference? Ishika Kondal, Rimal, koi bhi, anyone?
Ma'am,
Ma'am was. What is the difference between these two sentences? कुछ difference लग रहा है आपको?
Yes,
is there any difference? Okay,
Ma'am, in
Suryansh,
first sentence, the hunter kills the lion, and in second sentence, lion kills the hunter.
okay, in the first sentence, it is the hunter killed the lion. Okay, and
ma'am,
in the
this
second
is a
sentence,
simple sentence. First sentence and second sentence is passive and second sentence is active. Sentence we
first
use.
is,
Ma'am, first is active.
okay,
voice.
okay, first is active voice. Okay.
Ma'am, the meaning of both the sentences is same, but it differ in writing form.
Okay, that is the main thing. What I told you this thing कि आपने कान ऐसे पकड़ना या ऐसे पकड़ना. Sorry, the hunter killed. It means this. First of all, this sentence. Sorry, active voice and this is passive voice. Okay? Active voice, passive voice. Two types of voices are there: active and passive. Okay, this is active and this is passive. Now the hunter killed the lion means in active sentences, what the main thing is that doing the action is the subject. ये जो है subject है. The hunter killed the lion. Hunter ने lion को मारा. The hunter killed the lion means who is the doer action? Subject is the means in active sentences. Remember this thing: the person doing the action is the subject of the sentence, okay? And the person or thing receiving the action, that is the subject. Okay, active sentences में क्या होता है कि the person doing the action, it is the subject, and the person receiving the action, that is subject. But in passive sentences, the person or thing receiving the action has become the subject. Okay, यहाँ पर ये subject बन गया है, and person doing the action वो last में यहाँ पर last में आ जाता है. Passive और active voice में main difference one is that in the passive voice, the subject becomes object and object becomes the subject. यहाँ पर hunter subject था, passive में आके ये optionally ये पीछे आ गया. यहाँ पे lion पीछे था, means subject था, यहाँ पर आके it became the subject. फिर देखो, अभी तो तुम्हें समझ नहीं आया है. फिर देखो, how to change the voice first of all. Okay, suppose मैंने लिखा subject. Okay, इसको देखा subject, then I wrote verb and then object. Okay, main three things. Okay, subject, verb, object. नीचे में अब देखो John. Okay, John respects a verb and respects the teacher. Okay, I wrote John respects the teacher. मुझे passive voice में इसको change करना है. Suppose this is your sentence. Okay, ये active voice में. Let me write AB. AB means active voice. Okay, John respects the teacher. Okay, अब this is an active voice form in the active sentence. जो person जो action करता है, person doing the action, that is subject. Okay, John respects the teacher. अब मुझे क्या करना है? I have to change it into passive voice. तो मैं क्या करूँगी? John पीछे चले जाएगा, टीचर आगे आ जाएगा. ओके, अब मैंने इसको पैसिव में कैसे बनाऊंगी? मैं आई विल राइट द टीचर.
The teacher was respected by the John.
नो बेटा, द टीचर इज respected. The teacher is respected by the John. Okay, I will tell you. Write down. The teacher is respected by the teacher is respected by John. Now this is subject. Okay, SUB means subject. This is passive verb. Is respected. This is passive verb. passive verb. Okay, and by John is a prepositional phrase. अभी आपको थोड़ा लेट ही आएगा, तो prepositional phrase बोलते हैं. When you have to change a sentence from active to passive, what you have to do, subject object, and अब ये object था, आ गया first में, ये passive में जाकर subject बन जाता है. ठीक है, हमने देखो बेटा स्ट्रेट आपने ये याद रखना है कि जो है वहां पर जाके वो ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा. इन द एक्टिव वॉइस में जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो पैसिव में आके सब्जेक्ट बन जाता है. सब्जेक्ट पैसिव वॉइस इज ऑलवेज इन द पैसिव वॉइस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इज ऑलवेज यूज्ड. ये याद रखना है. ओके, रिस्पेक्ट, रिस्पेक्टेड, रिस्पेक्टेड, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इज ऑलवेज यूज्ड. गो, वेंट, गॉन, तो मैं गॉन यूज करूंगी. ये गो, वेंट, गॉन. Write, wrote, written. I will use written. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि यहाँ पे यूज होना है या was?
बेटे वो रूल्स होते हैं. रूल्स आर देयर. ओके, अभी रूल्स आपने नहीं किया. अभी जस्ट एन एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग. रूल्स विल कम, देन यू विल कम टू नो हाउ यू हैव टू चेंज द sentences from
what is second sentence?
where you have to. But beta, this is the same sentence, okay? Only I have changed from active to passive. आपने क्या याद रखना है? Remember this thing. Subject will become object, okay, and object will become subject, okay. अभी आपको अगर suppose you are not getting, तब जब 2-3 दिन आप करोगे तो आ जाएगा समझ में. ठीक है. Third form of verb is always used. Remember this thing, and it is followed by by preposition by. थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आती है और by आता है. बस ये याद रखो आप. ओके, स्टार्टिंग में फर्स्ट जब तुम यू आर डूइंग पैसिव वॉइस, ओके, पैसिव में तुम चेंज कर रहे हो तो तुम्हें वन थिंग रिमेम्बर दिस थिंग, जो एक्टिव का सब्जेक्ट होगा इट विल बिकम ऑब्जेक्ट इन द पैसिव वॉइस. एक्टिव वॉइस में जो ऑब्जेक्ट है इट विल बिकम सब्जेक्ट. ओके, ओके, इंटरचेंज. Then third form of verb will be used and it will be followed by. Okay, now अब चलेगा. यहाँ तक समझ में आया? First of all tell me बेटा, समझ में आया कि नहीं आया?